Hello friends, today I'm going to create fruity summery nails. Because summer is going on and I'm scrolling some cute vibe designs and characters on Pinterest and found these. Let's create my own nail art designed by these inspos. For that, first I'm going to do nail extensions with hard gel with the help of nail forms. Let's put this on, and today I'm going to do one nail at a time because all the gels are runny at this season and I can't handle that mess at this time. You can use dual forms if you don't have nail forms, but I'm using nail forms at this time because I don't like dual forms. I took good amount of hard gel and spreading it at the center first to create the apex and join the nail form with my natural nails. Move the brush like this, it makes the gel to spread easily and evenly on the surface. If you feel like it is going close to your side skin or cuticle skin, then you can turn your hand like this so the runny gel can move downward and you can control its flow better. Before using this hard gel, I thought about poly gel to get these nails, but I have less amount of that, so I skipped that. I cured the first nail and today I'm trying to make it in one layer because I feel like we can get smoother apex by doing this method. You can do this in layers if you are not comfortable with this method, or you can do as you want. But the middle of the apex part is still not smooth because I cured it immediately, so I put some extra gel on this part to make it smooth and even. I have sweaty hands and the nail forms did not stick strongly to my skin. Also with the both sides of nail forms itself, so I put paper tape to secure them more tightly. Now they are secure, but the gap between my nail free edge and nail form is a bit weird. I don't know why I'm feeling this uncomfort, but I'm trying my best to get them perfectly. This is the last nail and thumb is the easiest nail for me to do nail extensions with nail forms. Otherwise, it is the hardest when I use nail dual forms. After cure these, I remove this sticky layer of hard gel with acetone and guys, I was not expecting this but literally it happened again. Like, I don't know what is the problem. Every single time this nail breaks like this. I treat and create all the nails in the same way, but why this nail breaks? I don't understand this. I did everything in fixing, but I can't do anything. I have to make it again. Let's make it quickly and then move to the next step. Moment of truth, and it came perfectly every second time when I do this. Love this glass look, and now it's time to give them desired shape and length. Let's do filing. Styling is done and now it's time to do nail art. I made a nail inspo on my own. According to the pictures I have shown you at the starting of this video, I make the designs flexible, like if I have to change something then I can do whenever I want in between the nail art process. Let's prepare the base first and then do the brush art. I already made the nail charms. Let's arrange these on nails accordingly. I'm gonna use solid gel to stick these because the solid gel makes this process easy by make the charms stable at the place. This bow was white. You know I have white bows and I painted this yellow with some tiny dots to get perfect fruity vibes. The pineapple, watermelon and the coconut with straw is giving perfect summery vibes. I tried my best to make the handmade charms very detailed, hyper realistic. Watch my Indian food nails video because those food charms were so much realistic. This is the final look. Fruity summery nails. I did not use any pearls and rhinestones because they are enough for this whole vibe. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you again. Bye.